Oh, I didn't think about this. How am I going to put it in here?
Handyman!
I have to get everything in here, out of here, and then I'm going to start putting down the plywood. Next step, black paper. If you guys could see what this is right now, I basically just made a fort, except now I can't get back in. You can buy some wood and then put your stuff down to the handyman. So do you guys remember all that black stuff I put down? This is something that's pretty close to it, and I wanted to take the old stuff out because it smelled so bad. Man, these things are heavy. 3/4 inch plywood is super heavy. Get it? Yeah, baby. First try. Hey, I got my first piece on, and it fits. Hopefully it gets less bouncy when I'm done. Oh, that feels so good. Wait for it. Oh, that feels like sturdiness right there. I do not think that putting down the paper is going to take me very long, and I do not think that cutting the wood is going to take me very long. The thing that's going to take me an insane amount of time is nailing. I'm pretty sure it took me 30 minutes to nail this one board. It's not even a little bit bouncy. So, as you can see, hammer time is in full effect. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 down. This bedroom is almost done. Alright, so since the whole nailing process is kind of boring, I thought I'd slip in a joke, or very abruptly slip in a joke between nailing down boards. I heard a funny one the other day. What did the penguin wear to the prom? Nothing. In this scenario, we've got the stud that I'm cutting out, X is here. We've got the vent cutting out right there. We've got the fireplace right here that I'm cutting out. And then all the way over here, which you guys can't see, but I'm cutting it off short over here. So, we've got 4 cuts to make, and hopefully it'll work okay. Let's do this. Oh, I didn't think about this. How am I gonna put it in here? Okay. All right. I will have all the sturdy wood under you so that we can rattle those cages, clean some clothes, and all that jazz. I don't know why I didn't start the day with this. Have to take off the trim, but I think I'm gonna have to. I didn't realize it was gonna be this hard. One mo. So, I ended up working all night long, Lionel Richie style. No, I'm just kidding. I did a couple of sheets last night. I put the sheet under the washer and dryer. It's not done. And I put the sheet over here to the left. And then I started adding more sheets, just getting them down so I can get the right fit. The weird thing about this house is it's so janky! There are some places that are fit for 3/4 inch plywood. And then there are other places that are fit for 5/8 plywood. It's so confusing! And it makes it really, really difficult to put anything down on the floor because they don't know which one it was. I think they put down 5/8 particle board over top of everything, except the fact is that some of the spaces underneath everywhere that I've been starting to put down stuff is fit for 3/4. Why would they have? I digress. Let's continue. Why yes, all of the underlayment is down. All of the 3/4 plywood is down. And it's all done. Oh my goodness. This has been, I understand, like the beard is different and just everything, whatever. It's all done. This was the biggest flooring part of the entire house and it's all finished. If you like this video, even though it was super boring, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, you can give me a thumbs down, that's fine too. If you want to keep coming back, again, kind of boring video, but if you want to keep coming back, hit that subscribe button. There will be more adventures, a lot more exciting adventures coming soon. So stay tuned, more adventures from Handyman.
Next time on the adventures of Handyman.